Today we are here for a debate with Dr. Cilantro and Dr. Lardigan on silicon and carbon. Let's begin the debate with Dr. Lardigan. Pow!
Silicon is the most essential element in the world today, and the most useful element to us. You would not understand because the element is too modern and new for you, old man.
You and your techie generation do not appreciate the roots of humanity. You're wrong, for carbon is the most important element.
Open your eyes if you can still see. Silicon is the element of the future. It is a key facet of a myriad of modern technologies and has completely flipped some industries for the best.
You're supposed to be techie, yet you are also forgetting the involvement of carbon in various technologies. Carbon is used all the way from useful products to jewelry and accessories.
Not that you remember, given your senile state, that silicon has contributed much more to society today and its technology than carbon. Silicon is essential for the brains behind most computers. Since silicon is inevitable, it is perfect to use as the main ingredient in microprocessors and chips which use in computers. Silicon is also a necessary component of silicone, which is used to fix facial deformities and other cosmetic surgeries. Silicon has revolutionized a multitude of businesses, and who knows how many other businesses will be altered due to this awesome silicon. You should not care though, for you most likely not live to see it.
You just watch when those computers unexpectedly crash. You're going to be befuddled by the almighty pencil's abilities, and you actually have to physically write something for once. Carbon is definitely most superior. It helps out everybody each and every day. Carbon is essential for the human body to produce protein, carbohydrates, and fats, which are a necessity to live. Also, when we breathe, we exhale out carbon dioxide, which forms when the oxygen mixes with the carbon in our body.
Pencils are a useless utility, and just because you cannot read a computer screen and is therefore useless to you does not mean it's useless to everyone else and is not better than its predecessor, the pencil. Not to mention, silicon is currently an enormous asset to the human race today, but it has been since our beginning, like carbon supposedly is.
You think you're the only one who could deal with technology and science? Carbon is also used in the science realm of our world.
Carbon scientific contributions cannot contend with that of silicons. But back to the contributions that have been there since before us. The Earth's crust is 90% made of silicate materials, and obviously the Earth's crust is essential to where we are today. I'm sure you remember when the world was created, given your age. Silicon is vital for life for both plants and humans, just as carbon is. Not only has silicon always been helpful in the past, but it will in the future too. Silicon can be the solution to finding sustainable energy in this world. Silicon is used in photovoltaic industries due to its properties that prevent photovoltaic effects. Silicon might just end up saving our world, not that you would love to see it, given your age.
Carbon not being able to compete with silicon? Carbon blows away silicon in every aspect. Uses, we have them. Carbon is diverse in its uses. For one, carbon is used in a scientific process called carbon dating, which is used to tell how old things are. When an ancient artifact is found, they use carbon dating to see how old it is, to fit it into a time period, which helps us figure out our history. Also, carbon is used with graphite and pencils. Carbon is even used in dry cell batteries, which fuel many products used today. And lastly, a form of carbon is prevalent in diamond jewelry and diamond-tipped saw blades.
I think that these elements are equally significant, and they should team up. Now join together as brothers. Whoa!
This hurts to say, but our elements actually make for a pretty good combo.
Yeah, I was doing some research, and silicon carbide can be used for many things in the world today.
Like what?
Well, it is used as an abrasive in sandpaper, and for the grip on a skateboard. It is also an important component in nuclear fuel. Silicon carbide was also a big contributor in the founding of light bulbs, and was used in them up until they began using gallium nitride.
That's interesting. Hopefully we can find some more uses for these awesome elements.
Likewise. See you later.
So long.